Simple Learning. Welcome to Simple Learning.
Hi kids! Let's learn about construction vehicles. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Bulldozer.
A bulldozer is a large, powerful vehicle with a wide metal blade at the front. It is used for pushing earth, rubble, and other materials, making it ideal for clearing land and creating flat surfaces.
Excavator.
An excavator has a long arm with a large bucket at the end. It is mainly used for digging holes or trenches, lifting heavy objects, and demolishing structures.
Crane.
Cranes are tall vehicles with a long arm used to lift and move heavy objects. They are commonly seen on construction sites to help build tall structures or move large equipment.
Dump truck.
Dump trucks have a large open bed in the back for carrying loose materials like sand, gravel, or dirt. The bed can tilt to dump the load out, making it perfect for transporting materials around a construction site.
Road roller.
A road roller is a large vehicle with heavy cylindrical drums that smooth and compact the ground. It is often used to prepare surfaces for roads or pavement by flattening and compressing materials.
Concrete mixer truck.
This vehicle has a large rotating drum that mixes cement, water, and other materials to create concrete. It delivers fresh concrete to construction sites, where it's poured into molds or structures.
Forklift.
Forklifts are used for lifting and transporting heavy materials over short distances. They have two prongs at the front that can slide under pallets or containers to lift them. Great job! Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks!